So any WordPress website to update by the header tag and the alt tag. So one is called any search engine to crawl by your particular web page using keyword. We can each page for dynamic, we can use it for H1 tag. Your main title is a H1 tag. Second one, every image we can search engine for crawling purpose, we can using for alt tag. So first of all, I'm selecting for this content. Go to your post. I'll explain two options, header tag and alt tag. Edit. First of all, here is the option. What is called heading 2. This will be heading 1. Why? Any dynamic, what are the content you are uploading? The first content is called heading 1. Select. So any content can select it and select for heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5 and 6. Selecting 6, totally small. H5, 6 will be your footer option, powered by design by purpose. H1 is called main keywording highlight purpose. These are updating for H1 to H6. Only select the particular page and select your content, implement by header tag. Second one, image. Every image, select editor. In the showing for what is called alternative text. So what are the keyword I mentioned? Same will be mentioned by alternative text. We are not using any kind of coding. I'm not using for any kind of plugins. Just existing content, select by the headings. Select by the particular image, click for edit, update by your alt tag. This will be. Now click for update. Finally, update. Now I can check my H1 and my alt tag implement or not. Open it. Same post. So every implementation will be have to check. Control U, Control F, H1. See this. Done. Then H1 tag. What are the title you mentioned? Automatic H1 tag will be create. What is the next one? Alt is equal. Done. Now what is the name? Season or swimming pool in Amel page. Now I'm changing here. What is here? I'm remove for season. Click for update. Okay, refresh. Update. Refresh. Control F. The changing for the option name is the here. So what are you using for alt tag? Season and swimming pool, Amel page. So I'm updating for backend. They will update for content will be within a fraction of seconds. So everything will be updated by your alt tag by your using by the admin panel. which is into your admin access. Each image, select and click for edit. This adding for particular all there will be particular image. This will be very important by the particular WordPress. Here I'm not using any kind of plugins. I'm not using any kind of third-party tools. Just order the kind of uploading. Select your heading. Set by the H1 to H6. Select your image. Add your particular alt tag. Please note down.